Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be very different than my usual videos because today in this video I'm not going to be making any kind of doll or repainting any kind of doll because this weekend I'm just so much ill right now and I just have so much flu and have so much cold right now, so I didn't repaint any doll for you guys, which I'm just so much sorry about. But today I just received this amazing package from lalarossa dolls on Instagram and I'm just so much excited to unbox this doll for you guys and give my honest review. And also this doll is part of a swap between me and lalarossa dolls and I'm just so much happy to receive this amazing fantastic doll which she made for me. But can't wait to see her in person. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video. And now without further ado, let's get started our video. And now I just take my scissors and starting opening this box, and my hand is trembling and I'm just so much excited to unbox this box. And let's see that which kind of doll she make for me, and I'm just so much excited. So first thing, I see that the box is a bit damaged, but I think that it's totally fine because it came from such a very far away country. And now I can see my doll and she have ginger hair and I really love this. And now we have envelope, candies and doll stands. So now let's see the candies, and I really like foreign candies and I really like their taste. And thank you so much lalarossa dolls for sending me so many amazing candies. I really enjoy eating all of them. So now let's see this envelope. I think that this is going to be some kind of letter, but oh, I see that this is certificate of authenticity and also her business card, and everything is just so much detailed and I really like the artwork and everything is just so perfect. And now it's time for the grand finale, the doll. And now I'm just starting opening the ribbons and then we will see our doll. So now I just remove the bubble wrap, the ribbons, and wow, the doll is so perfect. Her face up is just so much gorgeous, so much detailed, and look at her outfit. This is such a goddess and I really like the outfit and the colors combinations and everything she made, and this doll is just so much perfect. Thank you so much lalarossa dolls for making this amazing doll for me, and I just really love this so much. Thank you so much again and again. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and I will see you guys very soon with a very amazing repaint which I'm working on, and that would be really great and I'm just so much excited for that. So I will see you guys very soon with a very amazing video. Goodbye.